Hi everybody, I'm back with another video on consolidation and breakout scans. Today our focus is going to be on our investing folks who are looking for growth stocks. So these may or may not have dividends attached to them, but these are definitely stocks that have done really well over the past year. And these are stocks that also have increased their volume by at least 50%. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll open up a new scan and let's clear this up. And so we're going to be looking at stocks whose high is better than it's ever been. So to do that, we are going to open this up and look for today's high to be greater than yesterday's max, right? So what the max of what it's ever been, right? We're still looking at the high, but we're going to be looking at the high over 52 weeks, which if we do it in days, it's 260 days, right? So that's our first line, our second line. Our third line is going to be looking at volume. So we want to see that, that the volume, and I didn't put today, you can if you want, but the volume is greater, today's volume is greater than the average volume, and we'll look at the last 10 weeks, which is 50-day. We'll look at the average, and we want to see that it's been 50% greater. So to do that, we'll do 1 times 1.5, right? And let's make sure everything looks good in terms of brackets, and it does. And let's go ahead and run that scan. All right, so it gives us about 208 results. We're going to go ahead and filter this so we don't get penny stocks. I'm actually going to go down because these have really high numbers, closing prices. So let's look here. Let's go across and let's look at Trimble, TRMB. And you can see over the past year, because I have my chart set on a year, it has been steadily increasing, right? And so if we look here, it's breaking out, right? It's been breaking out, actually. We look at our other indicators, it's on an increase, right? But this is the highest it's been in the past year, right? And it's on an upward trend. Doesn't look like it's slowing down. So let's look at another one. Let's look at Rocky, RCKY, another one. You know, it has its dips, its ups and downs. But if you look at the average, over the past 10 weeks or so here, it's definitely more than 50% increased, right, in terms of volume. I'm looking down here, by the way. And so if we're looking at all our indicators, everything is in an upward trend. Even though the RSI is hot, it's still moving up. So this isn't a great example of finding growth stocks. And if we look here in this one in particular, it also has a dividend. So you can have your cake and eat it too in this case. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know what y'all think and have a great rest of your day.